Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
DDEX trading tutorial.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Tonight, quick tutorial on trading Tron on DDEX. DDEX is a exchange, decentralized exchange, in fact, that runs on Ethereum, but it uses a technique called wrapping, and we'll get into that. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to tron.ddex.io. That's pretty self-explanatory. Next, you're going to make sure that you are logged in to your wallet, which I am. Okay, then you're going to go in the left hand corner and you're going to select a market. In this specific case, we are trying to use Tron in order to purchase things on this exchange. So for tonight's demo, we're going to go ahead and use Banker token. So Banker to WTRX. So if you'll notice, you're like, what is WTRX? WTRX is a stable coin which is 1-to-1 with Tron. So basically what happens is on this exchange, you trade your Tron for WTRX 1-to-1, and then that allows you to purchase things basically at the same price as Tron. So the very first thing you need to do is get some funds after you select your market. So we'll go ahead and we will select Banker token. Alright, we have a buy at 10 and a sell at 13,921. So very first thing here on the left, hit connect wallet, and it's saying Tron link. Okay, I hit OK, I accept the smart contract, and now we are in. So how much ever funds you want to use to purchase a token, you need to convert that TRX into WTRX, the stable coin. And don't worry, if you don't use it all or the exact amount, you'll be able to get it back, what you don't use. So we are depositing on the exchange, actually on the blockchain, and it's holding your Tron encapsulated in that WRTX. So we know Banker token is 13,985, right? So let's say I wanted to buy one. So the very first thing I need to do is convert some of my Tron into WRTX. So to do that, I'm going to go up to balances and I'm going to hit wrap TRX. I'm going to tell it how much I want to wrap. So in this case, I am going to wrap, let's say 50 TRX. Okay, so in essence, going back over this, it takes my TRX and it converts it into the stable coin WTRX, and boom, and there's no fees for wrapping your TRX. So I accept the smart contract, give it about 2 or 3 seconds, and boom. Now if I look over here, you will see WTRX available, and I have 9.5 Banker in my wallet. So now what am I going to do? I'm going to select the price. I'm going to go to buy. I'm going to select a price, or I'm going to make up my own price. But in this case, I want the order to go through for the demo. So obviously there's a spread of 10 and 13.985. So if I was doing this strategically, I would probably bid somewhere in the middle, like 13.2 or something like that, to try to get the order to go through. But in this case, for the demo, like I said, I'm going to do 13.985. So I have 50 WTRX available, and the price is 13.98 WTRX. Now remember, in essence, WTRX is exactly the same as TRX. So I'm going to say I want to buy 2, and oops, I want to buy I'm on buy, make sure you're on the right tab. I want to buy 2, and I'm going to execute my order. Enable WTRX, accept. Give it 2 seconds. All right, buy. And now the actual exchange fee was 1.54 WTRX. All right, boom. Give it a minute. And trade successful. I bought 2 banker tokens for a total of 31.12 WRTX. Now, as you can see, my balance of WTRX went down. Okay? Now, you're like, okay, cool, cool, cool. I did not use all 50 of my WTRX. So to get it back, you are going to unwrap it. So you go over here to balances, you hit unwrap. I'm going to hit max 20, and boom, I hit unwrap. Give it 2 or 3 seconds to confirm. Now, this may seem pseudo complicated, but it's really not. Like I said, again, it allows the fees to be very low, and it's basically working on the decentralized exchange. So now, as you can see, I have 11.4 banker, okay, because I bought it. My TRX available, and my WTRX is just some dust. Now, let's say I wanted to do it in reverse and sell. I'm going to click on sell. I'm going to say 10, because once again, I want the order to be forced through. I would not sell my banker for 10 though. I'm going to sell 1, okay, and it tells me how much limit price 1. Oh, and remember, basically there is that burn, okay? So I'm going to hit limit sell. Okay, 10, I'm matching up with a buy. I hit limit sell and hit yes, enable, accept. Give it about 2 or 3 seconds, and it should verify, and we will hit sell. And that subtracts the fee, once again, because it was 10. And we'll give it a second. And I have successfully sold, and now, estimated balance, boom. Now, to get my WTRX, once again, to get it back in my wallet, I have to unwrap it. Okay, so I hit unwrap, max, and unwrap my WTRX, and then I hit close. Now, if I go over here and look at my wallet balance, I'm back to 215. So, pretty simple stuff. And you can do that same thing with all these other coins as well. But the key is you have to convert your TRX into WTRX. And you do that by clicking on balances, wrap, specify. If I wanted to convert all my Tron to WTRX, I could. Hit close, hit wrap. It's wrapped, and then I can go and I can purchase whatever I want. And if I sell, it comes in as WTRX, and to get the money back into my wallet, I hit unwrap. So that's all there is to it. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to post below. This is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.